A tarp is a crucial tool used to protect your hull as you travel. Tarps must be quite large to cover the entirety of the load. However, their large size can make them difficult to store when not in use. Learning how to properly fold a tarp will make your tarp easier to store and unfold when you need it. Here's how to fold a tarp. Before we begin, you should remove all moisture that may have accumulated on the tarp. This will help prevent mold and mildew from building up on your tarp. Once a tarp is all wrapped up, it can be difficult to differentiate a lumber tarp from a steel tarp or a small tarp from a large tarp. Some drivers like to purchase different colored tarps so they can easily tell the difference. There's nothing more frustrating than unfolding a tarp only to realize after it was the wrong one. Start with your tarp completely laid out on a flat surface. If you have a flap, fold that to the center of the tarp first. Fold one side or drop of the tarp inward to the middle. Repeat the process on the other side. If the tarps don't meet exactly in the middle, adjust accordingly so they are touching exactly in the center of the tarp. Fold the first slide inward one more time towards the middle. Go to the second side and fold that one into the middle as well. Take one side of the tarp lengthwise and fold it over in half. Go to the side of the tarp that does not have the flap and start rolling it up inwards towards the flap. Bungee the tarp together to properly secure it and store it. That's how you fold a tarp. Thanks for watching.